After a lot of my hikes, I think, oh man, this was such an awesome hike. I'm going to do this again sometime. But this is not one of those hikes. Hi, I'm Karen, and today I'm hiking a loop trail in the Garden Canyon area. I'm starting up Garden Canyon Road, and I'm going to walk a couple miles up Garden Canyon Road and pick up the Sawmill Canyon Trail, go about 2.5 miles up the Sawmill Canyon Trail, go across then the Crest Trail for a bit, and come back down the Scheelite Canyon Trail. All in all, it's about a 9.5 mile hike. There's an elevation gain of about 2,600 feet, starting at 5,800 feet at the Scheelite Canyon Trailhead and up to 8,400 feet at the Crest Trail. I actually started to do this hike 3 days ago, and I got to this point here. My gimbal went crazy. It was like a trapeze artist trying to ride 3 trapezes at once. And my lens cover flew off and came right here behind the fence. So, oh, I got it. Joe has this little magnetic thing, and here is my lens. Oh, it is dirty. This might be salvageable. I don't see any scratches, but boy, is it dusty. I will take it home and fix it up. Now let's take a look at the pictographs while we're here. There's also some pictographs up here at the Rappel Cliff site, but I had such bad luck at the last site, I think I'll skip it. It does always make me laugh though that this sign at Rappel Cliffs, no rappelling, even though that sign back there does say rappelling that away. I lost the trail somewhere around Sawmill Spring, but using my Garmin, I just kind of made sure I was heading in the general correct direction, and I scrambled up a few hundred yards of steep slope and ran into the trail again. The Garmin InReach is a really nice device to have. It's pricey, but it's invaluable when you're hiking by yourself. swear some bird just honked. And we will head towards gate number 2. That was a very nice and much needed break. It was very steep the last couple of miles, lots of switchbacks, and I was beat by the time I got up here. It is going to be a steep hike down Scheelite Canyon. After a lot of my hikes, I think, oh man, this was such an awesome hike. I'm going to do this again sometime. But this is not one of those hikes. I'm beat. It was just a little over 9.5 miles. I hiked up Garden Canyon Road, about 2 miles, 2.5 miles, about 2.5 miles up Sawmill Canyon Road and Trail, and then across the Crest Trail to Scheelite Canyon. And now I've just come down Scheelite Canyon to, I'm almost at Huachuca Canyon Road. It was very steep at the end of Sawmill Canyon Road, and it was also very steep and rocky on Scheelite Canyon Trail. If you're hiking in places where it might be difficult to find the trail, like on today's hike, have some sort of map reading skills or a satellite GPS finder so that you can successfully at least know where you are. And even if you're not on the trail, at least you'll know the direction that you're heading, and you can see whether or not you're heading where you want to go. And I'm going to go home and have some ice cream. That is my plan.